Welcome back to Coloring Book TV. You know, so we there a brand new movie and they want to call Do Unto Others as They Do Unto You. You understand? So I just want to know watch the movie, share it, tell a friend about Coloring Book TV, because you know say Coloring Book TV have already hit them. You understand? Yeah man, so it's free to subscribe, you know. You understand? So nobody feel like if you subscribe you have to pay. It's free. You understand? So now I just want to take the time out, you understand, to big up couple of my fans them. You understand? Someone big up Mango, Brianka, you understand, from Maxfield, you understand, and big up Kerrine aka Shorty from Mandeville, Battersea, you understand, and big up the rest of fans them man out there. All I fans them overseas, we support Coloring Book TV from them time until now. And big up all I fans them in I 14 parishes support Coloring Book TV. You understand? So just go and support Coloring Book TV because we have forwarded the work. And people, you know, say me and David and we have a party, a forward up, you know, say January 27 in Mother Road, Gather Road. You understand? David and Confrontation, man.
Alright, Poppy Dan, what you say? Alright, watch you know, a David and from the one left camp attack, aka David and one left. Watch you go on now, January 27, place name Styler Bar, Whitehall, that's in Negril. Make it a date, do not be late. Come and support artists, movie actors, and one more thing, two more things more I say. Remember, say David and Poppy Dan doing music too. So you can go over his channels anytime. You can subscribe, hit a like, listen to his song. Tell a friend them too. David and one left on the YouTube. Poppy Dan Vivo. Yeah, and one more thing. Big up Kerrine from over foreign. You know who you do. We're not even tell people.
Yeah man, bless up yourself, only for respect.
Bless
you
up
know, you
and
big up yourself. You understand? So you look like Coloring Book have something to say there. Coloring Book, what go on? Well, in a real life, you know, big up all the Coloring Book fans. You know, remember, say you have Coloring Book TV and you have Coloring Book that myself. So big up all the Coloring Book TV fans. Carry on, big up yourself. Art of love, you know, we're not short of love, but art of love. And watch now, you see last move we put out, what year we name Hyper Road and Flapper Yard. Big up every fans will call me and show me love and respect. You get what me I say? And remember, just like, share, comment and subscribe. And watch out for your new movie.
Yeah, me I say, big up Kerry and Mitchell from overseas. Anyway, you're there. Place and time you watch this. Big up yourself. You know what you do for me. Bless up yourself. Heart of love, you know, in a short of love. Coloring Book TV. I just really want to get on good work so you can start helping with the bills them so you don't have to stress. But the bills them every week we got supermarket, light bill, water bill. I don't really feel that way. So I sit down here and I do nothing every day and you just have to go to work.
I mean, alone have to take care of all of the bills then. I know I do nothing, so how long you take to get to work?
I sent out some application yesterday, so we just wait for them respond to me and show what going. But I think I'll get alright to a gas station down the road.
Every day you continue to say that every day.
No, I'm sure about that time. I forget because I don't want people down there. That's why I'm even sending application down there. So.
You keep saying that every day and nothing. I mean, if I stress out myself.
No, this time, I'm sure boy, I got to see the result this time. I forget to work.
If you continue the same way, I have to just move on elsewhere.
No, that's not necessary right now. Not necessary, not reach to the party. I'm sure this time to me I'll get to work. I 10 of them I send out 10 applications. I send some hotel and some other place. But I'm sure about the gas station and I'm just away for them call me.
Well, last week you said the same thing. I come back this week with the same thing again.
Can't get to the work, you know, man. Can't give it through off the mother. When I get a bar from Star, John, nobody in the field me out to the entire me want help out people Star. What go on, David? Oh, I love you know.
Yeah, man. What they going on now?
Well, I'm there I reminisce because I let a man me wheelbarrow star and all, no man no care back.
I know, see, you me calling for a wheelbarrow.
Oh yeah, say I look like a coincidence, man.
You see that, none?
No, I've none start that. So I work, me I can go up and you know, can get a big piece of food, no. Because my white youth come from round pan ends there, you know, him have a little thing I go on in the yard there.
Yeah.
Him say I want to build up 2-story and him say I want me can't get nobody. So him say, yeah, me have a virgin. And same time you come to mine and things. You see me I say?
So yeah, we have to get one borrow then, man. You know, long more some money.
Why? John no start. I know the family thing rough. So anything get upon, man?
So you don't know nobody where could I get one from?
No, as I tell you said, the brother don't care about my one yet.
And you know, we can't go for him, you know. We can't link him. Alright, tell her what. Me have a virgin.
Yeah.
He no must have wheelbarrow, but if me link him and he have him, I can get it from him. I'm sure about that.
Yeah, because that's good for you because remember say me want a funds and you want funds, you know.
Yeah, and I just want a wheelbarrow for push and carry something.
Because remember last year me talk about?
Yeah.
Say this year, you know.
This a year, right?
And money we say, you know.
I hit, man.
Richness we say, you know. We brought this ago.
Can't go away.
I know stuff.
Alright, tell her what. You not even call me. Alright, wait right or something. I walk down the yard.
Alright.
Come
Ah, I love that. Yeah, man. Respect, man. Yeah, man. I wait, man. We're there, man.
Plus, you can know different timing.
So you send out any today? Any resume today?
No, just yesterday I'm sending out to me. I wait for a call today. So I must get some call today.
Remember, so my arguments tell us say 12 we have to even and work 50-50, equal with everything.
Yeah, remember I did say when we had to start, I want some car one and can't crap. So I just had to try to work. I know say I have to help you out because with around 6 months now I'm not work. And you help me out every day. You go out to work. I say I want this I carry back for me. So now the time now for me really start pay back.
My friend, we just talk about 6 months now. I tell you, say, you tell me, promise me all the while, say you will look something every day.
Yeah,
I
just see the timing. When I see it at that time, I know at the right time. Because you lose a work there. It's a good thing I do and look at hustling in the market and I can get one look at change now and then. But now, I want some real funds. Start bringing and start paying bills them and everything. So, you're there, yard, now you can cook and do look at thing till you get a next job. So I mean, I have to go out there and carry any bread.
I say, you know, do nothing, babes, but you need to do it harder. You need to go out harder. Because I see it, I lose my work now, I not do nothing now. So what we going to survive after?
No, I mean, I said no. If you cut right now, currently, if you collect all the funds down the market.
Yo!
How gone?
I pray.
There, man, everything good?
Yeah, man. Oh, hello, evening.
Hey,
I'm
babe.
not coming to bed. How gone?
I pray.
There, I do, I have one reason.
Boy, that was yeah. I see you get car, man. Yeah, different still, they must have a wheelbarrow, I come for borrow.
You see what this
My
borrow,
youth,
man?
my youth, nobody with that. I see wheelbarrow in here, yeah. Then the wheelbarrow.
And on my wheelbarrow, you know, I mean, I've luck with learning, you know, things to people. So if you borrow it, you don't do as you don't do it, you do so. Nobody go sit down, just carry back right away. Because we can't take a problem. You understand? Yo, me I say no. Yo, me I say, what day me learn out one jackhammer. And the man have a jackhammer around 1 month now. All me tell him say, if you carry come, he say, alright, I'm going to carry come today. Boy, you know, say, I get a taxi and one bus. So, and you have the same style too. Every minute you have it. I soon forward, I soon check him. Then when I see you up on the road. You know, say, I don't let me come in.
Who no don't let me come?
Boy, you still not coming in the evening, they are wait for you.
Aye, man, yes,
The point when you borrow my tangic.
So, hold on.
3 to 4 days when I get back my tangic.
Me can't call things to you now. What
As so long as I take to fix one little pipe.
Brother, I pipe did bust bad. Pipe name bust good die. If you bust good, me bust
So you
it.
take 4 days to fix one little pipe.
3.5. 3.5, I'm going to so. But this time I said, actually, you borrow a simple person. I just
But you what me I say?
Uh-huh.
You see, if you... Alright, we don't tell you one thing, alright? I just want you to listen. Don't use the barrow, you carry it back right away.
Yes, because I borrow the barrow.
You hear what I say, though? You can't say you never hear what I say. You hear what I
Mario,
say?
yeah, go on, like, make me take away your things. As me done, can't push it 2 yards.
I don't want when me check you on the barrier. You know, so I can't go one side down, so I don't want to hear that.
Alright.
Because I know for me,
Here we are.
I'm still a chance in a lane out there. Don't know your money in a care back things.
You make me look like I
care back
worse.
things. Hold on, you know, no money can give me in case nothing happen.
Money in case.
In case you
Brother,
mash it
you
up.
better me a lot in barrel that if I saw you pray. Car.
Listen to me and say no, listen. Because they take a little fee in case you carry go up your yard and suppose something to the wheel. When you come back to me.
So me no car.
You
don't think me can knock one nail in that. Man, a 2 yard, that's what me a push it up. I don't try just.
Go ahead. Just carry back and sit down, yeah?
Alright.
Just get.
Me want new number. You want to call for me new number?
Come. Okay,
Can't really shovel that.
no, that is show for them.
So me you want to shovel that. If you want to shovel, tell that.
See it there, so?
Yeah.
You see I saw Papa have already. You see it? So when you carry back, me don't want it two side Papa.
Brother, me good day. I carry back and fix this. You know what from the start. I once a while we know go on.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, the part there come out.
Yeah man, look for you want.
You have to look for me now.
As me say,
Oh,
new
you
number me
have
have
to
now.
out there.
I want you want to call me for my new number to make sure say me done with the borrow. Achi here 26611 you know. I tell you that number that in here you know. Cause you go like you take your things them and
Go through. This man is something else. You want to show me for barrel. Can't bother with the length business. Every minute you come for barrel. Someone love barrel, you know.
You got one thing on your friend stuff in time you come.
You love barrel too much.
How you want to borrow again?
You borrow, that's a way enough for me.
Everything you want can borrow.
But me just chant say and let him it. But me tell him say as in done, in carry back come give me.
Alright now. Should me lose my job and I have no money. So I know say if you have something you that really help out. I want to go check my cousin, you know. Cause I know my cousin, he have it like that. Cause I'm not going to add to me because me and my family.
So yeah, me not like you borrowing. Yeah, borrow. And that's why me I try push out my best effort every day, you know, to get a work, you know. So you know if you borrow no money from nobody. David,
See there you know.
you can see say a real doves in you,
Yeah,
real
man.
friend, you know, so like this.
But watch out now. Show you a little preview. So let me on my way, me get a bigger car.
Yeah?
So me can't go forward on that there up there. But I may there chat about it, so me get it borrow and I go use
Now
it.
make sure you hold it, you know.
Yeah,
Cause
man,
I don't want nothing to do this to the brother, you see me I say?
Alright, I feel me all feel, but watch out now. It's like I'm like, you can buy me a beer, a water, or a box juice, anything good.
Now make sure you put down this one again, man. Heart of love, David. Can't left you out, brother.
Alright, me do.
Cause a big piece of work on the corner there. Me make sure start it there, cause me not left you out, you know, brother.
Alright.
Enough love, you know, and
Yeah,
respect,
man,
you know,
keep up yourself, man.
man.
We
Yeah,
are
man,
winning.
cool, man. Respect, man.
Cause when if you pay back, at this the problem come.
But I'm a family. Him not go. The only thing we do is wait until me get the money.
Boy. Much job, brother.
I will check him and ask him if he can lend me. I can borrow $20,000 from him.
Good. 20,000 you can't get 10 or 15.
You know, say 10,000 or 5,000 can't buy nothing. Everything there now, you know.
Alright, do that then. Me a day I wait for the calls of our application, then we drop off. Yeah?
I go check my cousin and hear what's
Yeah,
going on.
just do that me day I go and wait.
So
So you know,
my
where you
cousin
cook
and
when you
tell
come
me
back?
now. curry chicken and rice.
Alright then, I did one with it.
I go walk and check my cousin, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a chopping line like that. I go and close.
Yeah, the other son look how yard work me are doing.
Okay, you know, so me not so make a problem because I lose my work, you know.
So what you do for lose your work now?
Alright, because that's some mix up thing, yeah, man. I don't even know what really go on. My boss fire me. So, I don't really check it on me. Only could tell me about
Me nah no work can't give you still enough. So mother really ask you why you that tell me say you lose your work still.
Alright, some little mix up thing going with some girl at work, you know, and then so them fire somehow.
But me nah no work over there put down. Me nah none at all over there put down.
You know, one of that me really come check it about because I think me that come borrow from me, you know.
What kind of thing?
I borrow 120,000.
What?
120,000 because.
You know, no man, no bother with that man. No bother with that. No come and say with the sweet up business. Cause I'm telling you, if you own a family member, I all you know want things. You know member people in a car. Look, you are work how long and you never yet come here and say call. See $1,000 here. You never yet a work and carry nothing come give me. But soon as you reach down in a ditch, at the time they remember me, you can tell me, say me for any money. I will not do that. And the reason being, because uno has family, uno unfair. You understand? And me say Marshall lend money, you know. That I feel way because of Marshall. And you know give back Marshall money. So
When
me I go lend my money.
Marsha borrow money from me all long and all know she not pay me back the money. So where you get your information from?
I don't tell you lie. Sometimes I sorry me and our family because when you come with the mix up business.
Long Marsha borrow money from me.
So Marsha say you borrow money.
She borrow the money when me at work.
Well see
I'm
then
lend her money up to now.
Then
she
if
not
me
give
go
me
lend
back.
for me money now and I want it. No say I go tell people say I me borrow money from you.
Cause you know say me not stay so cause me ever do that it first. At the first me ever come to
your
money
family them do. So me not lend them. Me not think me can do it. Because me I work too hard for my money now if you get loses. I can't do it. How much money you want, sir?
I want $20,000 cause.
20,000. I can't do it.
Because what me go do? You want me go home hungry?
So you have man.
I'm not look work, nothing I go on now. You do a little hustling, but you know say it's a little hand-to-mouth thing I do.
Why? If you show you have my family and it's a blood thicker than water, me I go lend you. Because if you see you lose your work, so me I go sorry for you. But when me I get back my money, because you don't have a work, you know, so that's one question. When me ask you, when me I go get back my money?
You know, so babes also a little thing sometime, you know, so me try put together and make you happy back. But give me some time to pay you back.
Sometime like how long? Because I need my money, you know, same like when you need money, me need money.
I want 3 months.
What?
3 months cause
No man, no sir.
or give me until a month time.
No man, that's too long man.
So cause me will get money for gain a 1 month time. You can't give me a 2
No man,
2 months.
No man,
you have to deal with your cousins hard.
The least me I give you a 1 week. No run put my
Cause
money.
we can't pay that in 1 week.
No, I tell her and ask me.
Alright, wait till a month. Give me a month then.
No, well make it on then. If you
I
can't give me
back in a week cause
2 weeks. Your man at work, you must can line up my money. Listen, me I go give you my money now. And in a 2 week time I want it back because that's something I have to deal with. I don't want to hear what you have to say. No. Me I don't make a deal. And I tell you for 2 weeks I done right. So. Hold on, let me check him out. Turn up with me.
Let's try to get back at work.
Alright. So it's E20 today.
Thanks.
I remember in a 2 week time and I run put my money in.
Cause give me a little time, you happy cousin so?
Alright. Do what you do? Me don't talk. A 2 week me say.
Cause give me a little time man. You know if you're hard, oh gosh man. Yes. My cousin in the
I get it. Full 20.
yeah, but you must say in a 2 weeks time I want back the money.
Two
weeks.
months?
2 weeks. You say one
Oh, yeah, I get 20,000 in 2 weeks.
You know, go salada. Who care? Why the go salada?
I can't
It's
get
so hard work we have to
20,000.
do.
I can't get 20,000 in 2 weeks. I'm pressed me to pay light bill and something. Month and I have to save up the light bill. I can't get 20,000. I'm on some 5 or 4,000.
But I'm a cousin that you know. My cousin blood thicker than water. My cousin don't kill me for that.
Oh, I can't give him back all 3 months time with the time.
But the man says 2 weeks.
But you don't just say your cousin and kill you.
But when he call me, I can come to you in 2 weeks time. I just tell him, say me don't get it as yet. Say, give me some more time.
I heard you. I'm there. And me I wait for some calls saying me. Get 2 calls or then some for come in tomorrow. Let's see what go on.
Gas station?
No, gas station I call me. 2 hotel call me on the beach road. I'll go there tomorrow. So come on, yes, you know. Let's see what go on.
Yes. Pepper share.
So this you look about out the omelette. Eh?
Yeah. On the stove.
I should go down make some tea or something. It kind of hurt me. And the lock on the door it kind of spoiled. This thing go buy one still. Go $1,500 upon it.
No money, so you get money if you pay fees.
No man, I wait till I get in some funds. Because I beg my auntie want a little money. I wait for her to reply to my message. I get one little money today. But I'm not too sure for today or whenever. My auntie not really give money still. She will say, yeah, and then I look at things with David and oh, why not easy, everything, the foreign easy, very. So my auntie still, so I'm not really a penetrate on that still, but you're good.
You're good otherwise, yes.
That's where I'm gonna let's see a dress up.
I'm not going to be one. Go check my friend, but I'm ready.
Yeah, I want to check your friend.
Yeah.
Boy, I do too long. I'm breaking car still. I want to come on a birthday party. Rum did and everything, so I'm not going to run no money for buying a rum or no.
I want to suit them, I
I
can't
want
wait.
to make a walk around.
I want to suit them, I'm not wait for this long time. So
Oh, yeah, my suit.
yeah, man,
Yeah,
you can't
man,
wear it.
I'm grown,
I
then.
want one purse to go with it, you know.
That I think no money to buy a bag.
Yeah, then could I go check my friend, you know, because she have a whole heap of them things up her yard, you know.
No bother with the borrow thing. Do not practice the borrow. See him bridging go borrow the wheelbarrow from me and for me, you know, I'm still learning it. I call him over 1 week now and I can't get the wheelbarrow. 1 week, you know. And it's probably soon come here anytime soon. I just give him a break. I know it soon come over here. And he will tell me saying I ain't left with this and he carry back this. So do not borrow. I don't like you borrow business. Wish me the have you can give because I can buy a next suit or whatever. I'm not have it now. I'm not like it now borrow. So you owe 20,000 there for your cousin. I know we can't even pay back 5,000.
So if you come down here, I'll call on my phone.
Yeah, there.
I'm calling me already.
You want to go borrow money again to buy a purse? Make the purse 10 man. Just go and go check your friend and come back.
Yeah, I
Go
go
borrow
check
no
my
money
friend.
from him.
On my purse, I go borrow. She only how much time she can borrow from me. Enough time she borrow like things then.
Oh boy.
Continental girl take set for me. I pretty.
Bumberg.
Why are you yelling that?
No, I first thing me have to ask you for
What do you mean when you borrow? Who don't care about you borrow? Who don't care about borrow?
We don't care about borrow.
Wednesday morning, 10:30 in the morning, me bring the borrow come right. That's how we want me get it from. What do you mean you don't care about
Which
borrow?
Wednesday that?
What do you mean which Wednesday? Which day a week we now?
Me there Wednesday whole day.
And your borrow.
Me no hear no rumbling and coming out with no borrow. So which borrow? I just say yeah, they can borrow come back.
So yeah, say I lie me and tell me I idiot. Me can't borrow none of that people.
Listen to me, I say. Care back the people them borrow. You know say I'm my borrow.
Charge
Tell her that already.
you know say this is why me want borrow it. Cause you say you love some me take
You
it.
borrow around there so?
Me carry the borrow about Wednesday morning. Me don't know if you lend somebody else. Remember say yeah, you don't lend no things you know. And you know remember who you lend. Me carry your borrow back.
Alright.
Put your
So
borrow
you
right.
care
That's
back
all.
too. Me soon run back the camera
You
there.
don't run it back then, run back all the borrow too.
Not even grown they go look. So what happened now?
Alright, I'm regular you let me come here. So me not see
Oh,
you.
there.
Mm.
Lucky.
I'm to it.
I try to figure out how to tweet.
Let me see. I do want to fix it like I do. But even I still don't know what to yeah, so I feel it. So. But like I'm fix it for you still. You know what I'm saying? No, it fix man, but yeah, man, so like I'm fix it still. You know what I'm saying? If I go back country, I want to carry two suit. As they make a
Oh,
yeah.
you carry two soap, man.
Yeah, so.
I have to be face, man.
Yeah, I can't, but so we are hot boy, you know. David and with the blue here, and we have a hot song. So,
Oh, there still.
yeah, but more one bag. If you put it two suit them in, because if my knapsack tear out, I go
You don't go, man. That's not, you know, you see it.
No, I know.
You buy back today.
I mean, I don't want to go in your room and see if you have one that could have fit on my back good.
We see how I like it. Go, daddy. No man pass that door there, and my woman alone go through that door.
Me no need to
What
go.
you mean, me and you?
Me no need to go
Going
in.
to be talking.
Father, yeah, take it argument different. You have a knapsack can let me or what?
Come back on the borrow game. Tell me
Man,
say
you know, me I tap
You
this
borrow
last.
too much.
Hold on. Hold on the back, bro. I still want to call her back. Man, you know what I'm saying? I tell you the truth, though, dog. This is the last thing I go borrow from you. Every time
You
borrow.
know the bag in there still.
Yeah, in the bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the bag. Man, let me back, dog.
You want a little napster.
Man, let me back on my youth.
But if I'm a
Man,
woman,
you let me back, dog.
if she ever knows him, let know him is dead.
One bag. I will buy you one bag, dog. Come on. Oh, gosh.
So you know buy one bag then?
Because I don't have no money I know. You see a country me I go give me people some money. You know from when they don't see me. Give me back, man. You go on like I'm in a country yard.
See this bag you know a polar bear. What they call it, brand?
Tommy.
Polar. Polo or something like that. You don't know. Or a beer they funny. A deer bag them.
Oh, man.
A deer bag them.
Why fit my bag?
To do the make sure you best they carry back. Cause if she lose it, a gift she get, you know, and gift something,
Right.
and she put it in her
Yeah,
job.
I tell them nice to that. Just anytime you let me things, you always give me one story about how he come from.
No,
he
me
come
have to
from
make you
foreign,
understand.
and God make he come from heaven, so he involve the one.
Yeah, we know this bag we're chatting.
Mhm.
Just make sure you bring back the bag because that bag is that important. If you lose it,
Mhm.
me go in a problem.
Alright.
Cause they're not for me, right?
Alright.
I mean, I have to pay for things they're not mine.
Who know your money still? Big up yourself.
Who want money?
Money, man.
Go on,
Yeah, money. Yeah, big up yourself, man. You rate a different lessons and I just feel you look accused. Me I take your things then.
And that bag me out like put down.
Tuesday, all gone. What's on, girl? What was for you? Long time I see you. Okay. Yeah, bro. What? Yeah, man. Boyfriend plans to go on party, you know, I'm bringing you see.
You're not a person.
What gone? Long time I see you still. What tomorrow? You can't start asking something.
I saw you stay anytime once we see you step through that door, we know say something you want. That's why I say come here, make sure you say your talk. You think you're easy?
Yes, I say good girl.
Sandwich party on our girl, Dirty Friday on our girl. Bembe?
Yeah, them do. I go.
That sound hot, you know, me have picked him. Me can't go out again, my love.
Yeah, a long time. You know,
I look nice,
to see the person. That's you, thanks. You look good to family, happy baby.
Take off it, but I'm super tired like you eat, man.
There you go.
So it was the idea.
Fine. I'm up and down. I'm going to look work still, you know. I'm saying what's up, but I'm calling him and him say, I'm going to go tomorrow.
That's nice. That's nice. Hope you get to work.
Yeah, that may I say too.
I mean, it's not easy. Everybody have their little roughness or what. Everybody have their story nowadays.
True. So, yeah, and what's the baby for all things?
Girl, things alright. You know how him stay already. You want to go down in that. You know the back, from back to front and front to back. You know how him story. Don't go already. But what kind of bag you want? What kind of suit you wear?
You know, we have brown suit, you know. You don't have nothing purse or nothing. Not brown or nothing.
I look a brown Louis V purse where you see me with that hit you have your iPad.
You know it
All of a sudden you wear brown suit.
Girl, look how brown in that dress.
Brown in that dress?
Yes, girl.
Yeah, that fit you still. That'd be a nice little rush for you.
Yeah.
Come here, go feed.
Man. Thanks, girl.
You know, I don't have nothing too good to give my friend, but do me I beg you. Make sure it's never come and tell you.
Girl, you
See
understand
here?
me?
This father buy these. We buy me one nice shoes. I know the boots them, the thigh high boots them with the gold.
Yeah, man.
And a little bit of brown panny.
Yeah, me know.
You buy me a suit for my birthday, so I hold this very sentimental. Please carry it back as I don't kind of like about things.
Girl, me care, but can you know say I show me going me and raise old in and old.
It's cute, they look nice with the
Yeah,
suit.
look
No,
nice.
yeah, girls, you know, for my things.
Thanks, girl.
And you that, love you a nice girl.
I like it.
Yeah.
I really match your dress, you know.
And I real something coming in my man and buy my fakeness. Look good. Take a good look.
Yeah, okay, well, me can't go around look shabby, girl.
Right, that's so chic.
I saw you used to old too.
Yeah, I'm gonna better come check out for me now. I'm so active on the road again. Make your baby grow.
Yeah.
Look a bit more. And
True.
ready for your road
She got
again.
a day, what she day?
Road up and down. See what this road up and down. You know she love the dirt already.
Yeah,
You
man.
can put the dirt in our mouth. All people that say Pitney have to play in the dirt and eat food, do that other things, girl. But if Pitney take up a raw dirt and put it in her mouth, so. Sure, come here.
Sure, come.
Nana,
Nana.
come here.
Come, Nana.
I'm gonna live long with just a chat here. Come here. Look how you're dirty
Big
and
big
so too
dog.
long. That's one big woman. Come here. Look,
Come, Nana.
come here. You're just born with you and stop give trouble. Come here. Come to mommy. Come here. Yeah. But make sure you go and take care of yourself and pack
Man. Yes, girl. Take
have fun
care.
for both of us. Love you.
Yeah,
Missy.
man. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Nana.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can I tell my friend bye-bye?
Yes. Yes. I get the bag, you know.
You see,
You got your
to me, man. Yeah, we go bury a girl back for now. You see this now, you not listen to me and say, if you tell me something, me I listen what you say. You can't be in a relationship with me and not listen what me I say. Care about your girl back, because I'm
So
not going to
what me I go wear? What me I go use?
No, you was nothing at all. You hold in a white.
The one this the way with my clothes. The kite have a look good. If you're in a job, you could have buy one, give me. You wouldn't have to borrow people one.
You say go bury it back. After me tell you, don't go bury it back. Left feet. Don't borrow. Don't start borrow. Because if you start borrow, you're not going to stop borrow till you're gone in a debt. Every money you get, you have to pay back for your borrow. Suppose you go with your girl back now and it's chop papa. What you going to do? You have to pay for your girl back.
Why you feel think a negative way around? Just stop the argument like this. What time you ready for guy party? Hmm?
I don't think I'm better than a party.
So, what you want to eat for dinner?
Just cook something. But I can't. Why you never hear myself down by her back?
You did hear what I said before?
What you say?
If you did provide, then I could have buy the bag. Would I go buy the girl bag? Eh?
Me
You
not
should
bother
have
go nowhere
shame.
so you can't carry back. You can't carry back.
Well, my borrow it already.
You not go nowhere for wear it.
So me have just borrow bag and just give a baby girl just like that.
Yeah, carry back. Them the plans cancel. Those you can't just go and look for something. Put it down there, sir. Hey, you know what to do? Just look for where you look about. I'm not going to see him. Just know say if anything to that bag, I not paying for it. So look for where you look for and then we get ready. Because I don't tell my best friend till you're forward already.
So what time you leave?
When you done cook.
Alright. Let's let my friend with the box.
Hello.
Where your woman there? Where your woman? The style of this one and I have the style of
Oh, yeah, I'm friend.
Where not actually not where your woman there that my come out.
The inside there.
I buy your woman things because she stop bar yeah work for you now by your woman. Girl!
Oh. Oh, what happened?
My bag, my come out. Yeah, I had the girl with the cabaki bag. The bag said, no, ask me say how me I go on, so I tell me the cabaki bag. Oh, but you never tired, you don't come buy my bag.
Girl,
Yeah,
that's all.
remember.
What's up with you now?
Yeah, young girl, and you're tired. What tired boy you, so give me my bag. Thank you very buy your woman things. You have look good woman and you not buy her. She want real good bag. Buy her clothes. I'm too dressed for buy her other day and now me to get back in dress. Well, I'm too dressed, I'm pretty.
So, fear dress. Are you telling me say?
And she bigger than me. Look how me skinny. Look how me skinny. You know, stop to show my clothes and look for Alice. See, pretty body still in her dress. See, body still in her dress. The dress. Stop to show my clothes and buy your woman clothes.
You didn't come borrow me earring, you give me back.
Which earring? Me not buy the flyer. You want the cheap earring compared to one one really one?
See, you have one girl and look bag.
No come back and burn nothing for me.
You not feel one.
That's all the friendship based off of borrowing and then you can't buy the bag.
You don't get back.
But I'm going to tell us that my man buy me back for my birthday with one.
Girl,
Don't touch me.
auntie girl.
Buy your girl things.
Yeah.
You want that girl, you're supposed to can maintain and support that girl. Now come back and burn nothing, please. Thank you very much.
You see me tell you?
You
Stop, borrow.
cause it. You
Oh, me
cause
cause
it. Cause if you did buy things, she will come and talk about her bag.
Me not have the money,
She
so-
don't carry it back. What she do with the ears ring?
Girl, I buy a dress.
She
Oh, me
borrow
like
me
it,
ears ring.
oh, me
What
not
she do
must-
with it? What she do with the ears
Oh,
ring?
me no,
Look
yeah,
how
no,
much
to
I
start
got
up.
dress. Me never wear it. Me throw it down there so.
Oh, yeah, I never start out that me
She
can't
said she
start.
borrowed the ears ring. I said to her, I said, I look on the dress.
Yeah.
And she put
You
the
know-
dress on. Me never borrow the dress on her.
Come on down the business. Me just want to know she get back her bag.
So she not get back her piece across his bag long time. And she borrow me good ears in on buy. What me spend much money for. And she don't give me back. She not talk about that.
Yeah man, you know so me if you make a one flip back over the side there, but to tell you the truth, me didn't get a chance. Yeah man, no problem man. I want to look work man, because a whole heap of things me have to do, you know. You know me a boy and refuse no work, you know. Yeah man, just show me anytime you're ready. Alright then, no problem. So tomorrow. Alright then, yeah man.
You know some amount of money for you with something though?
What did tell you say? I tell you say the money when I did lend, the big money. I lend my cousin it. And I tell you say she me away pan to give you money.
Look here, from the time I say I'll get that the money from your cousin, I don't know. I may need to deal with something. So it's either I'll get the money from her today, cause today I need to deal with the business on the road, you see me, I want the money.
But I tell you say as soon as me get the money, me I gonna make a deal with the business. So
So
me
call
can rush
her
me.
now and make sure you know say you want the money. Cause
Me
when
give her a time already when me I come pick up it, so me just give her a little more time.
Look here, give her a little more time, a joke thing. She'll take it for idiot, right?
Take me for you see that me not link her about it. When me I make
So
one
from the
step
time
and
you
one
close up
step.
the link her and a link her.
No, me just give her some more time. I know when me going tell me say come tomorrow, so me just give her look more time.
Look here, make sure you know say you're serious about your thing, brother. You can't do them something there. You can't lend money all about the place. And one time we want to know we can't get money. See them want to deal with business.
Yeah, me
and
understand.
no money no there.
Me understand say a few money me use and lend her. Me understand.
No, I want the money now. Me don't talk because me now wait. And next day, tomorrow now come, I'm not get the money there. Today me want it. Me want it today. So I go call her on the phone and make sure know say you want the money. Anyway, she will get the money from. She better get it and make me get it. You see me? Because I need the money to go up on the road. I have business to take care of.
Me man enough. You deal with me say enough.
Me not deal with no way because you make me upset because a long time I wait for the money and now me can't get it.
Yeah, but me spend no money.
So you mean me feel upset over my money? Not true. That's what you trying to say? Me feel upset over
So
it.
I spend it for myself. You don't have no problem about it.
But the thing is, you don't spend it for yourself. You lend out the money.
So now my family, you have to help family.
Help are your family and my family?
I mean, I get the money.
You get it, and to them I want it too. You come and bend up face because of your cousin, me no business.
I'll check her if you want.
Then go on. And tell her, I'm going to fear you, I'm going to fear you, then I'll go pretty.
Cuz, come out of cuz. Come out of Come here, man. Come here, cuz, man. Because I don't like this style, man. Come for 20,000. Because me can't bother, you know. Me tell you already, so I give you 2 weeks. 2 weeks, I make my woman get up every day and I cuss me.
So busy with you and your woman. You make your woman control you.
What you mean? So your man can't give you money? Your man can't give you money?
I'm a cousin business.
Eh? You can't give her money. Because he can't talk about in business with me and my woman. And me I lend him my money, not show me and your family, cause me not ramp it up. Hold me not ramp it. Hey.
Just give her a little bit more time.
Give her a little one more time.
I told her no work. She said she tell her 3 months.
Which 3 months and I never make no decision about that. I tell her 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Just give her a little bit more time.
No, there's no
work.
hello, listen up. My woman want the money, you know. I know my money, you know. I feel my woman money and me lend her. I know. Me don't need to tell you. Me lend her money, you know I know where it come from. All you want to know is me lend you. Because you then.
Short time to give.
No, listen up. Then kick you out from the work, you know, because then she say you make no sense up there, you know. You understand? And that's why you come and come beg me money. Don't tell me to relax because you have to mind your woman. Don't tell me to relax. Then him come give me talk, I can't tell me boss say yo, me make my woman run me head. Eh?
Just relax man and give her a little bit more time.
All along, me and my family, you know. I went independent high half, you know, remember me, you know. But you will lose you out now, you come borrow money from me. Want my money.
Talk to your
Cousin, give me a little more time.
Alright.
Just bear with me, little cousin.
Alright, so no I'll give me money.
Me not have it now. Just
Alright, you don't have it now.
No.
One thing me always learn. Calm. No worry on yourself. You don't have to give me money, you know, worry yourself.
Just give me a little more time.
Come on time. Yeah man, me know me go do, you know. Me say me know me go do.
I have it no cause mood again.
Me say me know me go do. No worry about it. No worry about it. No worry about it.
What you gonna do cause?
What you mean if a family? Hello, listen to me, I say me not run joke with my money, you know. I don't run joke with my money. You have one man, you have to make your man give you money. Make your man give you money. From the first time he come and say, yeah man, me not like him.
You mean tell them like, man?
No, but me I tell him me not like you, you know, in family, you look like somebody, you look like somebody you can't take care of. More money.
Yeah, look more time.
Just give me some more time.
Alright, don't worry on yourself.
Have money out to get it for your
No, Mr. No worry on yourself. Judgment laid upon your way.
You know what kind of judgment that
Judgment theater about cause. What you think with your cousin, so?
You see me tell you about your cousin. You tell her don't go borrow enough money over there.
I've been asking
I'm
to
going
give
to
him time and
take
him
her
say yes.
water.
Him say yes.
You know, say
Him tell me say I give him time. And because if woman tell him I run come up here.
You know,
Because if
say
woman
him
control him head. That's why I'm a go on so.
Are you go there?
And woman tell him because I'm come down here and behave so.
The woman tell him to come to me.
Yes, that's how woman stay. That's how I like that girl, you know. That's how she go on.
Anyways, I fool no business that me don't have no money right now. Me
Hey, yo, I'm a behave out of the door and I come like him want to fight. Him should have come in here.
I'm ask me
I say me no sprout in the eye then.
I carry down a market right now go see if I can get some money. Come back and buy a piece of meat to cook. Because now I have nothing here. Everything done. Everything done out there. Everything only. Oh, we have mackerel there, man. Mackerel there. Mackerel. It's not too there like that. No,
Mackerel. Yeah, feed me pan feed mackerel. When last you guys
listen to me.
When last?
What day have you eat?
Oh, you make me come here and behave.
What day have
go on so?
where you want me go to thief and rap?
So anything where you want to do, you no go do. Better you rub it and rub, because you better rub.
Man, come me no an argument today.
When I get the money,
What?
when I get the money. We go over there and me a fear
Look
go
here,
on.
nobody,
Well,
look
mad
here,
pan
no, me no business how you want to go over there go act. And how you want to go on over there. Me only want to know so me get my money. What you mean by you not get the money? What you mean by? What she depend?
Go over
You
there.
want me to go over there myself?
No, me I go deal with them. I must say a meal and never you know.
Yo,
so
if me go over there up in my market motor, everything done that's way, you know. And you know say you not lie me at you. Me no run joke when it comes to my money.
No,
You know say you're too soft though. You might tell me say you go over there go bad up on this that you know go over there go do nothing. Me not idiot, you know. A fool that take me for. You take me for punk.
No, listen what I say. So me say, me I make you get the money, man. Me I do something to get the money. No worry yourself.
Do something to get the money.
Hold on, me have one little plan.
Which little plan?
From them. So no worry yourself.
I want the money today. I told them I want the money. And when you gonna do that, the plan there. When you gonna do that, to make me get the money.
So sometimes when you try help out people, you come get your whole life.
You see, you're too kind of that with you. You're too kind. I'm tired to tell us you're too kind. You feel like a joke me I make. You take my money, right? You tell her say within 2 weeks.
So what me do?
And I'm more than 2 weeks, so I still can't get my money, brother. I mean, so I can't, brother.
So you mean tell us if we wait for me to come back me a bed, so you're gonna be a
So what if me bed? Me upset. So what if me go bed? Me not bed until I can get my money. Find my money, give me. Make a cousin give me my money and then we can bed again. Simple. Me not want you deal with me because of your cousin, you see me? You see when me get my money, me you can deal. You see me? Me not run joke with my money, brother. Get my money and make me get it. And you go back down there and tell your cousin say I want my money. Come now. You want a morning? I tell them I want to deal with my business, brother. Tell them I want to deal with it. Come on, no, man.
You know say you want to finish cook. Come
Me
on, how clean.
What me say? Me tell her say if me not get my money, me ain't depend nothing good, you see me? You take my money from me, give your cousin. No, me can't get back my money.
I let me learn her because she don't have a problem. I know me go.
I know my business that she not have man. She not have man. She not have man.
Just calm down.
Me ask you a question and I answer. You're going there so?
I'm going there so.
Me a chat and you walk. What kind of dirty style that? See how you? You see how that there? I'm going here, man.
No, bother me. Pay back there.
Bag. Which bag that?
No bother with that, no man. No bother with that. It's the bag we borrow from my dear.
Which bag me borrow from you what day?
No sir.
Which bag me borrow from you what day?
No, you come to me to borrow bag.
When?
Say you want to go one party.
Who got? You ever see me I got a party?
Me now go in this studio. Cause you see if me go in this studio, me I get violent.
Yeah. Alright, me tell you this and a dog.
Every minute you come
remember from a borrow, he borrow, me say me now borrow
stop
back nothing from
pointing
you. Stop come up in my face.
pointing on
Cause
my
you
face.
try this me, you know.
Cause every minute you come and borrow, a wheelbarrow.
Me carry back the Wednesday.
You don't carry back.
Who no
I
carry
know
back?
say you have your must lend so
Who
much
go
days
home for them
or
borrow?
what.
Me and nobody else then borrow. What is a borrow?
Where you
Toga?
find it hard to carry back things?
What
when you
home
borrow
if you
them?
find it hard if you say me never carry back the borrow? That's a one thing. But you talk about bag too. Me don't know nothing about bag. My it's like
you me lend the bag.
It's like y'all lend people things and you not remember who y'all lend and true.
Are you me
and you know say true
me,
you can't say certain things to me and me just say I saw you go, me give back our money. You can't link me for them sitting my youth. Me no like them style the bad man.
Me get back more man bag, yeah.
Me can't back the borrow and me no know about no bag. Me no have nothing for you.
You know check more there about one bag?
When?
I think last week Friday.
No. Show me receipt. Like how you approve so me carry the borrow and me approve so me left in the yard. Show me so me take it back.
Yo, me I say, you see if you don't care about me thing them. You see if you don't care about me thing them, come drop back at my place. The man weed borrow no mine, you know.
So yo, what you mean by that? I violence you push bad man.
So you jake me up over my one thing
Yeah,
them.
tell.
You know, me not say nothing more to you. Me not say a word. Just don't come back over me yard. I see them things the way you take, just know say I got pay a fee.
I can't bother you know. I take nothing from the man. Me borrow. Me carry back Wednesday morning. I must send me take back. But bro, why pray? Bro, you know some running a little thing out with a little rain and red dog. It's a 10 run me a look for hold on until me can give you back in. How you stay? My you not say that you know, so when I borrow things, me always bring it back as soon as me can. That's why I have a nigga in a dog. Me can link you for today. Alright. I will gonna pay your parents still in a dog car.
When me can't come link you? You must say a long time in here.
Hold on.
Oh, go on.
Yeah,
Yes, me I say.
yeah.
No, go on, man, I tell you. So. Hold on. Me soon call you back. Yeah, me soon call you back.
Why
What go on, David?
there, man, what they going?
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
You
no,
know,
you
say,
don't link me the bar, what going?
you know, say a long time I try to reach out to you yesterday, but like your number miss up on my phone and things still, you know.
It's 82611 number.
Phone did all drop and things still, you know.
Everybody in the world know the number there.
No, man, my phone drop. I'm not going anything. I'm a friend from a long time, I can't this, brother.
So, me can't, that good still. Me can't get the bar right now today. Because man want the box still.
You know, say, me the run a little difficult still, because I have some bills to pay and thing, and a brother say, I will want a bar, I end up selling me. I'm just pay the bills them and things, so. No money for me and things still. You know what I go still, brother. Okay, and fall out over a wheelbarrow and thing, brother. Because I come from too far, brother, from school days.
How much you sell the bar for?
You know, so I want 30 grand still.
Bro, I can't bex with you, but right now, I'm bex, you know. I want to say something, I don't want to say, you know. The man for the bar tell me, I have to pay back for the bar, right now. Police in my car for me, you know.
No, stop.
Right now, you hold up my head at me, you know.
Yeah, no. Can't make that happen to you still.
How much you say? How much you say you sell it for?
30,000 still.
You have to give me at least 25 for give, man. I not even want them for myself, but right now, me that me believe me.
I'm going to try to get some money. Tell the money if you can wait for about 3 weeks to give it still.
3 weeks? If I 3 weeks, I'm going to the jail, I sleep in a jail, bro.
You know, star. You know me, but so me can do something.
Who you give, bro?
The white bird up the lane, man.
We keep in front of me now. Yo, you have to get the bar there, you know. You have to get the bar there, believe me, car. This a man here call police, and that man there, he has some type of people, I not even want tell her what them do for your living. So you have to get the bar there.
I really want that good the way they still in brother, John no star.
Tell him say you borrow it back, man.
Alright, I'm going to try that still.
Yeah.
Smart idea. That.
Yeah.
I say 40.
Alright, pick up
I
yourself.
say 40, I say 40. Bro.
Cuz,
Yeah, what you say?
I hear what's going on. My father's a man to deal with the money situation. You understand? Yesterday, my father was going violent and all off my money. You understand? So, when exactly is I can get money? Because as I tell you before, the money was me lend you and you were filming me, never tell you from the
You
start.
never tell me that.
Yeah, but and I like me have to tell you, you come and you borrow money and I tell you carry extra if it's time. You don't need to know which part me I get it from. Once me tell you when to carry it back, you know, carry it back on that time. I'm a woman want her money now because of fear the money. Yeah, but you don't need to know what.
You tell me, say, if you give me some time, I just let me not tell you, give me a little time until next week or you get the money.
Me want she hear for herself, say that yourself it's true, say give some more time. So me put in her number. You have credit?
No, no credit, come go and call.
Yeah man, just pull the phone, me add in it.
Want to your phone?
No, me not have no plans to say, no say Wi-Fi me use man.
You said you want to please call man.
Just add in her number on WhatsApp. Because I want she hear from a few voice say yo, that go on. You understand what I say? Let me add in.
So our number go?
Just give me add in man. Alright, so here what go on. They say the phone.
You know where I go on?
No, you see my money, me 20,000. When me I give my money and I never give no each one. I know me forget it back. Hello, listen. Alright, since that's a problem.
My youth, pass up my phone, give me my youth. Where they pan my youth?
Your phone over there. Your phone over there.
You go buy back my phone, give me.
Buy back which phone? You can listen to me a teacher if you don't wrong. Like it shows.
Y'all see.
Don't worry yourself. You can listen to me a teacher. You see when you go on, it's when you take my money, me never that go on like how you go on.
You tell me say your woman phone? Your woman money?
You don't need to worry about that.
You let me the money, me ask you. I know you come take my phone and fucking mash it up.
Just make it a good man. Just big up yourself. It's a lesson me a teacher.
Don't
want to others.
You go get back one and you go hold off last. That means.
Yeah man.
Remember you go get back one. What's that? What me? How many I call the phone?
So you can come to me with attitude.
You need to come to your attitude. Or the money you borrow from me.
So you could $1,000 gone, so my friend.
So? And so what? The money you borrow you tell the sale came back from me. I know you can't call
So
the
girl,
phone.
you must stand up because I'm not like you come to me with the energy, me not feel the energy. Where you come from? $1,000?
Yes, I come
My
home.
boyfriend, you know, so me don't get money. But they bought my boyfriend to send some money and I go to the bank. See what I mean, and drop week out and then I broke, you know.
So you tell me that for none of my business.
No, the money.
So you tell me that for none of my
Girl,
business.
you what? Me I go to the bank and sort out. As soon as I have the money, me make it get the money.
My girl, pass up money, give me my girl. I want my money. Me
Girl,
need my money.
girl, kind of
pass
face,
money,
like-
give me my girl.
So girl, I say to my side $1,000.
So where you tell me that
$1,000. Look what I'm
You don't have a man.
You don't have a man, you don't have no clothes.
You take me ears ring, go you take me ears ring with diamond ears ring.
The cheap earring and a real. I'm
Because it never cheap when you have it in your ears. When you have it in your ears, it never cheap.
Girl, stop
So
fighting
go
on
down
your face,
cheap.
girl.
I want my money and that me come out.
But don't have it, I'm
You
not
can tell me
going
why you
to
go cheap, all bag will tear up. That the bag never good.
Oh, you never see when your man go to your
All
palace,
bag.
go like
When
you
the
rich
strap
and your
come
man
off from your
and
party.
At least my man has said me look money, me I give you $1,000.
And you can't find $1,000.
You see, liberty
Huh?
people come through carelessness
I
now.
want my money and that become.
But don't
Pass
have
up the
it.
money, give me.
Girl,
That
girl,
become
they
more.
come in me yard and fight.
Me no business bonus.
People are up the sun, look. Girl, the cat
My
come in here.
girl, money give me.
Girl, come out of my house. Come out of
Me
my
not
house.
coming
Come
out.
out,
Want
come
my
out.
money.
But don't have it. When I
Pass
have
me
it,
money.
when I have it, me give it to you. When I have it,
Me want back my money. Pass me money. You can't be old neighborhood me them ear. Me
But
need
don't
my
have
money.
it. People when I have it, $1,000 she
I
have
want
one
my
when I have
money.
it.
I need my diamond ears when you borrow. I want
Well,
my
look about my
money.
clothes.
That come tell me boy you
Me
cheap
can't
old
go and
bag.
quote, you know, because you
Old
disrespect
cheap
me, you know.
bag.
People never hear my Lord send me yard, you know.
Me no business, my
Don't
girl.
never
My money.
go
I call the
and
phone.
my
You
word
tell
and
me
it's
not
yours.
answer.
No, that's not
money,
one for
my
my
girl.
bag. But come
You
cut
cheap
off,
old bag.
you look a broke pocket man, never that one to my bag, I'm dressed, I'm a thing.
Oh, you're a man rich, son. Me not the money and you can't find back my $1,000 give me.
Oh, you're a man have money, son, you can't wear your clothes. Who for clothes you borrow now, come and know this son of yours. You ever borrow
Nobody worry
clothes
about
from know
that. This adversity where you have and somebody you borrowed from. I know
you?
you're
Don't
a
worry
worry.
about it. I'm
I know you're a woman. All this one
ever have clothes. No, come back to me yard. No, come back to me, don't have it. Don't have it, give you. Yeah, come on. When
My girl, no want me
come
thing,
on,
don't
Sammy,
me come
come on, Sammy. Now come back. Me carry come with you. Now come back here with your practice. One way business. Towards what you are going, so we ever borrow something from me. What kind of friend you be?
Yes. I mean, I come back. When I come back.
There.
You know, say, I feel the problem you wanted to do when you go on this morning.
What happened?
I want my cousin come on my yard and I say, he come and talk to me and tell me, say, he might borrow my phone to beg a call. So I say to him, so, want your phone, why you not have call? So I say, you know, say, WhatsApp service, man. So him other him woman number pan and him say my call. I know say him take my phone and mash up my phone. You know say nah go some more about my phone in it. Nah go so he mash up my phone.
Why? You see them as you know when you borrow things from somebody, you want it back right away. I know people them want them things, yeah, it trigger them back. You know, you mash up your phone now. You can't give no money, you know, because you mash up your phone and you must say, you mash up your phone so that I feel money your way.
What's on 20,000 for my phone? Look how much I buy a phone for.
So you not tell him. We can't do nothing about it, and my
You mean say you can't do nothing? It nah go so, it nah go so.
I know my cousin.
I said something go on my girl and ask her for my 1,000 when she borrow. I mean, I feel get mad pan her now.
This
I warn me and her, me warn her at the yard. And
look
the way the girl that behave at talk about the old bag where she lend me. There could be some old bag where the strap pop off for me a party. You remember the old bag? And she take the diamond, brand new diamond earring them and take them. You remember the diamond earring when me give her?
Tell her don't start the borrowing, but this is how bring.
It nah go so, it nah go so. I want back the phone.
I learn how the wheelbarrow and I learn my lesson with the youth there. Because the youth them say I bring it back. I bring last week Wednesday man, you ain't there. Till me hear the barrow get sell and one but see man I use barrow down the road. So, I mean have to take the last, I mean have to go pay for the man barrow. And me let know it. So me right now me learn a lesson say nobody me not borrow, me not let nothing from nobody and me not borrow nothing from nobody.
What that you can say about my phone? Eh? My phone will be paid for 40,000 for. And 20,000 my phone match up.
Listen, we're not family, we can't go in our family.
That's all you can
Come
say.
on, we're not family. Yo, father, where you going?
Okay.
There, no, say my woman do me town there. I'm go pick her up with some bag. And if I could get her spin off her bike.
I don't see no my bike though.
No, man, it's fast and quick, man.
No,
You
man.
can better put some gas tonight.
No, man, I don't feel me.
That's say you're going with me.
Me can't go on nowhere.
Look when me millennium man bar and never
I look how me
mind.
carry back all the way for
Just
me.
relax, man. I do them there fast and quick.
Man, yo.
I just like down a hill footing and I don't have new Chinese.
You even have license for ride bike?
You know we're on the road, alright. Relax. For the fast speed, man. You don't take long. Is it? Don't take long.
You know if you start bike.
Relax.
I'm boy I can't ride bike. Yo, I'm ready, I'm panic. Yo,
Oh, go on.
how you the bad man?
Yeah, now you call me asking me there are 2 hours now me gone, you know.
Yeah, how you there?
I was saying, said do unto us as...
Bad man, which part you there?
This is what I say, no? Them have a saying, say, do unto others as they do unto you. Remember when I take the man barrel
Brother, which
and
part?
sell
Brother,
it,
what are the chattings? Which part you there?
and me left in a ditch. You remember that? You remember my woman bag? Where you take and say you know member, say you come borrow it. Eh? All of them they sitting there.
Brother, which part you there, bad
You
man?
do, and I sit down and I take it.
Charge you and carry back your bike.
But you see now, I know me I take my revenge.
What you mean take revenge? You know, some carry back your bar and you know let me know a bag.
You don't care back not a bar.
Brother, you care about the people and
Listen
bike,
now.
or else me and you go in a vibes. And don't go
You
on
don't
like,
know me the one, because I ride down up here like
me know where you live. You know, don't know where you
Me
can't
move
run
round
for
there,
yourself.
so me
We call
move.
police members, so me
Listen
know
now.
you're in for you now.
Me move
Me
from
make
there.
police come for you. And if police can't find them, me
Well,
come for
you make
myself, bad
police
man.
come for me. Me have enough police bridging, so
Boy,
me not go
you're
sleep
thief,
at jail.
bike. Yo,
Listen, me
I'm
man.
telling
When
you.
I take
Let me
my
tell
bu-
you. If
people
you don't
them
care
borrow.
about the bike tomorrow morning, you go see her.
I don't care what you want.
Alright guys, so you made it to the end of the movie, understand? So don't forget, the biggest thing we're supposed to do is share the movie, you understand? Just share it to your family member, share it to your friend, you understand? I make them know, say Coloring Book TV are going to do it right, so just share your love to them, you understand? And remember to subscribe people, you understand? And like, you know, just do it right. Big up on yourself, more movie, Coloring Book TV to your world, you know I go.